Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 2. A 3-meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 cm and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. Right? Here you find that the length of the rectangular park is 125 meter and breadth is 65 meter. Right? And you have to find the area of this path. This path you have to find, right? Here you see the width is 3 meter, here it is also 3 meter, here it is also 3 meter, and it is also 3 meter, right? First of all, we find the length of the rectangular park. Let us find the length of rectangular park. Length of rectangular park. Length of length of rectangular park. Length of rectangular. Length of rectangular. Length of rectangular park. Rectangular park is equal to, you see, length is 125 meter. 125 meter and breadth is 65 meter. Breadth of rectangular park. Breadth of rectangular park. Breadth of rectangular park. Breadth of rectangular park is equal to, breadth is 65 meter. 65 meter, right? Therefore you can find the area of the rectangular park, right? Area of the rectangular park. Now length of rectangular park with path. You see, this is 125, this is 3 meter, and this is 3 meter. That means total length is 125 plus 3 plus 3, right? Therefore length of rectangular park with path. Length of rectangular park. Length of rectangular park with path is equal to, here you see, this 125 plus 3 plus 3, that is 125 plus 3 plus 3 meter, that is 125 plus 3 is 128 plus 3 is 131 meter. That comes to 131 meter. Now we'll find the breadth of rectangular park. Breadth of rectangular park with path. Here you see the breadth is, here you see, this is 65, this is 3 meter, this is 3 meter, that means 65 plus 3 plus 3, that is 65 plus 3 meter, and that comes to 65 plus 3, 68 plus 3 is 68, 69, 70, 71, that is equal to 71 meter, right? Now to find the area of path. Area of path will be area of park with path minus area of park without path, right? Now therefore area of path is equal to, area of path path. Area path is equal to area of park with path, area area of park with path, area of park with path minus area of park without path, minus area of park minus area of park, area of park without path, without path, right? So here we find that area of park with path, the length of rectangular park with path is 131 and breadth of rectangular park with path is 71 meter. Therefore, the area will be length into breadth, that is 131 into 71 meter square meter square meter square minus area of park without path, means this one. The length is 125 and breadth is 65. Therefore, minus 125 into 65 meter square. Now, if I multiply 131 with 71, what we get, you see? Multiply 131 with 71 Now you are getting 1 on your 1, 3 on your 3, 1 on your 1. Multiply 7 on your 7, 3 on your 21, 2, it is 1. 27 plus 2, 9. We are getting 1. 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1. 1, 2, 3, 9. 9301. That is comes to 9301 is equal to 9301 9301. Minus if we multiply 125 with 65, what it will get? 125. Multiply it with 65. That you are getting 5 to 25, 2, it is 5. 5 to 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, carry 1, it is 2. 5 plus 1, 6. Now 5 is 30, 3, it is 0. 6 to 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1, is 5. Carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7. If we add, this is 5, this is 2, 6 plus 5 is 11, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8125. Then we got 8125. If we subtract this one, that is 9301 minus 8 minus 8 125. Subtract this one, 5 plus 6, 11, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, that is 7, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1176. That we are getting 1176 meter square. We are getting 1176, that is 1176 meter square. 1176 meter square. Right? Therefore, we find that the area of the path, it will be meter square. It will be meter square. Right? Therefore, we can say, hence, the area of the path is, therefore, you can say, the area, therefore, we can say, that area of the path, area of the path, area of the path is equal to, area of the path is 117 6 1176 1176 meter square. Right? What will we do? You have to find the total area of this rectangle, the outer rectangle, and we subtract this area of the smaller rectangle. That is right. That means first of all, you have to find the area of the park with path and minus area of the park without path. Right? And if you subtract it, you will get the area of this path. That is, area of the path is 1176 meter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.